The Samsung Galaxy M20 is the first Samsung phone to feature the Infinity V display and near bezel-less design. It boasts of a massive 5000 mAh battery with 3x faster charging. The phone is available in two color options, charcoal black and ocean blue. Choose from two memory variants, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory or 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory. Memory is expandable up to 512GB with a dedicated slot. This is a dual SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G Volt. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity V screen with near bezel-less design provides an immersive viewing experience. The slim design is handy to use and lightweight. Unlock the phone using fast facial recognition or with a fingerprint sensor placed at the back. The phone features an ultra-wide-angle 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera. The f1.9 aperture on the 13-megapixel camera enables great low-light photography. You can also take great selfies and portrait shots with the 8-megapixel live focus front camera with in-display flash. The Android Oreo 8.1 based Samsung Experience 9.5 operating system is optimized for the Samsung M series for smooth and fast operation. The Samsung Exynos 7904 octa-core processor provides balanced performance and power efficiency. The Samsung M20 is Widevine L1 certified for a good HD streaming experience. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh fast charge battery. The battery lasts for 28 plus hours of video on full charge. With 10 minutes of charge, you can watch up to 3 hours of video or listen to 11 hours of music. The box includes handset, 15 watts fast charger, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.